In this video, we're going to focus on the Chart.js array pop method, more specifically the pop method in JavaScript that we will connect with Chart.js. So this is a part of the Chart.js array series covering everything about arrays in Chart.js. So let's look where we are right now. So currently we have one push button here. If you've seen my previous video, we have a push button here that adds a value here, which is the value of black. The pop method does exactly the opposite of what the push method does. The push method adds a value. The pop method removes a value at the very end. So that's what we're going to do now. So imagine we have here an option with pushing a value, but what if we want to remove values at the very end? So let's start and explore that one. So basically here, what we can do is the following. Well, we can do it as here for now. So we say here, we get the label, or specifically here the label, which is the labels array. And then we say here pop. Once we pop, we don't have to specify a value in here. We just put in pop. Pop, by default, you understand it's the very last value in the array that's being removed, like a bubble that is popping. So if we do this and save this, and you will see that after that it will start to render this, it will draw the chart with the removed value of orange. Let's save that, refresh, and there you are. You can see now we don't see the orange value anymore, but if we push, we do push the black value. However, you can see here what's going on. Why is the black value that we have not black? Well, the answer is simple. We have a fixed pattern here in the colors. So if you want to pop, but you want to pop every specific item, we have to specify them specifically. And this one here as well is also the same value of number 3 that is here. So if you want to pop them, we have to pop everything here, or else if we have to add up here the push, at that value moment it starts to respond on the 10. But first it will just show the old array, or the remaining array that was not being popped. Because the only thing that we popped was basically the label name of orange. So if you want to remove everything, we need to remove or pop the entire item here. So we say this dot pop. There we are. And finally we have the last one, border color dot pop. And if we save this now and refresh, now the orange has been removed. And if we push a value, it becomes the value that you expected, which is number 10 and in the color black. So this is quite nice, because with this, of course, we can do some other items as well. For example, here, let's create a new function. And this function is basically the pop value function, which will be as well here same. We're going to copy that or put an indentation here. And then we say here as well, update my chart. Once we save this, all we have to do here now is just basically to save, refresh. Of course, what we do need to have is a button where we can push and pop at the same time or together. So we say here, this will be pop value, this will be pop. So save that, refresh. Now we have that. If you push a value, there you are, and now we pop it away, and there you are. So now you can play with this nicely. And this is the way how you can pop a value in Chart.js by creating an array. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.